Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're delving into the sweet world of honey with the YYGMSS Honey Dipper Stick.
If you're a honey enthusiast like me, you know that having the right dipper stick can make all the difference. Stick around as we explore why this product stands out as the best honey wand stick in the market. So, what sets this honey wand stick apart from the rest? Let's dive into the details.
First off, the unique design.
These honey sticks boast a smooth surface that's not only easy to wash but also reusable.
Plus, the deep grooves are strategically crafted to ensure that you get just the right amount of honey with each dip. And speaking of honey, with each pack containing 50 wooden honey dipper sticks, you'll be all set for honey drizzling, stirring, and spreading.
Whether it's for your morning toast or a fancy party, these sticks are versatile enough to handle it all.
Now, let's talk about materials.
These honey dippers are made from 100% natural wood, ensuring not only eco-friendliness but also food-grade safety. No adhesives are used at the joints, so you can rest assured that your honey remains pure and untainted.
And here's the cherry on top: environmental friendliness.
These mini honey dippers are not only reusable but also easy to clean and dry, making them a sustainable choice for your kitchen.
Now, let's take a moment to appreciate what customers have to say about this product.
With an impressive 4.8 out of 5-star rating and over 1,100 ratings, it's no wonder that this product is Amazon's choice in honey dippers by YYGMSS.
Customers rave about its ease of use, durability, and giftable nature. So, whether you're a honey aficionado or simply looking for the perfect gift for a loved one, the YYGMSS Honey Dipper Stick is a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, happy honey dipping!